Yes. My son and myself. And the titles, you know.
Right, that's why.
Both our names are in the title.
Right, that's why. We need a voting certificate.
You need a what?
Voting certificate.
A voting certificate?
Where do I get them?
We'll get
Meetings where we've enforced voting certificates. As a matter of fact, we actually had, I think, a dispute a couple of years ago with Mr. Garcia, where some proxies were eliminated because they did not have the proper and required voting certificate. So this association does have a history of requiring a voting certificate under the circumstances.
I think that's not true. If
That has to be
you're
my
referring me,
case.
if you're referring my name, I should respond to that. When we collected proxies that last time, we won the elections and you guys stole it. Simple as that.
Thank you.
It was proven in court.
So, go ahead.
That wasn't my point. My point
Okay,
was
okay, go ahead.
We've
Please.
enforced voting certificates in the past.
Okay, go ahead.
That was the only point.
All right.
But he mentioned it.
That obviously is not compliant with the requirement that recall be by majority. You guys are several, or the proponents of the recall are several numbers short, several ballots short, and so that's the reason why they've been denied, as stated earlier, pursuant to Florida statutes and Florida Administrative Code and your bylaws.
Don't speak.
Okay, so ¿quién quiere que haga una recapitulación de lo que acaba de ocurrir en español?
Just stand up and approach them, bro.
Okay, so in order to close the meeting, can I make a last statement and we close the meeting? Is that cool?
Is it a question or a statement or what is
Well, it's a statement and a question, sure.
It's one of both, yeah.
Espérate.
No. Yo tengo una nota. Yo no sabía nada de este científico.
You want, excuse me, Mr. Vélez, you want an explanation?
Okay, ya. Vamos a terminar esto, para terminar esta reunión.
what's your
I'm
question?
gonna speak in English because I want this to be recorded, just in case if we need to go to court again. All right? So, first of all, the thing is, what he's telling you is false. Okay? He puts in some laws in there of 720, 7 Listen, these are the facts. Whether you want to believe it or not.
He's answering his question to make his question. That's the problem.
Whether you want to believe it or not, this is what's happening. Right now, we're representing 100 votes. Whether he says 97, it's 100. And we got more as well, because we still got 90 days to collect even more. All right? The bylaw says it, and he knows. This is basically a 72303-5, 10-5C. Okay? Which basically says that in order for them, they could not certify, but they just can't take a vote and this don't work and this don't work. I wish all the elections were like that. I'm sure there's a lot of people that would have taken back their votes back in the elections itself. The bottom line is this. Right now, the majority in this room is represented by the owners. Okay? And by the owners, the law says that the majority is what ruled not only in this meeting, but in any other place. If they don't respect that the majority rules any place, that's called communism. Okay? Because majority rules whatever there is.
That's right.
See, papi, that's right. So it's good when people don't know the law, so obviously they laugh. But anyway, the thing is this. We're strong. Whatever he says is not going to fly. We got it all recorded. And you can adjourn the meeting if you want. What is your position, first of all? Are you defending the homeowners or are you defending the board members?
Defending the integrity of the system, and your petitions don't comply with the law, so it cannot be certified. It's simple as that.
So you're not going to certify, and this
It's not
stays in.
certified, and just to explain how the law.
No, I know
works.
the law.
No, let me talk.
But I feel
listen
this
to you. No, you're going to listen to me.
Okay.
So what happens now is that we file an arbitration. Okay. And then the DVPR, the Department of the Regulation, will decide whether we're right or you're right.
Okay.
And
Well, what's going to happen here? What's going to happen?
Different to what you stated, it's we don't get to do what we want. We either certify it or not, and then our decision gets reviewed via this petition by Florida State.
Yeah,
okay,
and the
so
Florida.
let me finish. So the Florida State Department, the Division of Condominiums, will go ahead and issue. Look at the record. Look at the reasons that we have provided.
Right.
decision as to whether the proponent of the RICO was right, or as to whether the association was correct in not certifying the petition. This is not left up in the air, as you stated, or it's not like we get to do whatever we
Okay.
want. Let me finish. No, the government will go ahead and decide who's right.
Okay, so
That's
what's
what-
gonna happen here basically is that they're gonna use Mr. Rubio to go to the DDPR and defend themselves when the majority of the owners are saying, no, you're not gonna use any of our funds to defend what we, let me finish that. Okay? You're not gonna use any of our funds, and we say it on record, the majority of the votes say you're not gonna use any of our funds to basically defend what's indefendable, okay? Because as soon as we go to the judge, the first thing the judge is gonna say, and you're a lawyer and you should know, what does the majority of the people want? And they're gonna say, we want a recall.
Thank you. I'm not gonna
Now,
argue with you
so, wait a minute,
because-
excuse me. Say, excuse me.
Presidential elections
Excuse
are
me,
done.
I let you talk and
These are board
I have the
meetings, sir.
floor. Can you
For 3
excuse me?
minutes.
Yeah, well, start counting. Start counting.
It's been 5
So anyway, that's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna stay strong, regardless of whatever they say. Either they get off tonight, or they get off whenever it is, but they're going out. Let it be known.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia.
Thank you. Is the meeting?